Hello and welcome to BizRun. This short video will show you how a BizRun administrator can restore a person who was previously terminated. In this case, we're logged in as Arista. She's the manager of this department, but she is also a BizRun administrator. She is going to bring back an intern who has worked previously at the company, and in this case, the intern is going to be working under Sheila Kerrigan's position here. So the first thing we need to do is restore her. Her name is Bryn. So Arista would click on Settings, Users, Restore, and we see Bryn is in here. And so any terminated employees would appear in this list. You could search for them. We put the check mark next to Bryn, click Restore. And now Bryn is available to be placed back in her intern position. In this case, we're going to create the position and place Bryn in it at the same time. So we're going to click on Sheila, click on the position gear next to her position, click Create Subordinate Position. We're going to check the yes for fill the position. This lets you create and fill the position at the same time. We're going to look for Bryn. There she is. Select her. This is an intern position. Select intern. Click submit. And now Bryn has been restored from her terminated position into her internship. Thank you.